Hello and welcome to EduSpark Global. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate molar mass. Molar mass is also known as molecular mass, and it is the mass of the compound. We can also call it formula mass. And in order to calculate molar mass, using this as an example, we have to write out all the elements in that compound, each with their quantity. So we have hydrogen, and that hydrogen is 2. Then we have sulfur, which is only 1, and then oxygen is 4. Now we're going to go ahead and multiply each one by their masses in the periodic table, the atomic mass from the periodic table. So hydrogen is 1.008. This will give us 2.016. Sulfur is 32.06 times 1 is going to give us exactly the same thing. Oxygen, 16 times 4 will give us 64. Now, after multiplying the individual elements by their subscripts or quantity, then sum up all the numbers. So 2.016 plus 32.06 plus 64 will give us 98.076 grams per mole. So the molar mass of H2SO4 is 98.076 grams per mole. Now note, the unit of molar mass is grams per mole. Very important. When you solve without the units, that is not complete. The next example I have is Ca3PO42. So, as usual, we write out all the elements. We have Ca, which is 3. This phosphorus is 2. So when you have a bracket or parentheses like this, the number here affects all the elements inside the bracket or parentheses. Okay, so that means that P, which was originally 1, times these 2, that means you have 2 P's. Then the oxygen, which is originally 4, times 2, that means you have 8 oxygens. So we would multiply by the atomic masses in the periodic table. So 3 times 40.08, that will give us 120.24. Phosphorus, 2 times 30.97, that gives us 61.94. Then oxygen, 8 times 16, will give us 128. Now we add them all up. 120.24 plus 61.94 plus 128 gives me 310.18 grams per mole. And that's the molar mass. Molar mass is a very important concept in chemistry. You would use it in most calculations. So it is a very important concept that you need. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more videos like this.